Back in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo Juice Bar channel. It's amazing to be in the kitchen giving you your favorite recipes and ideas and things. We've been doing a lot of salad for over the last couple of weeks, months and days. You know what I mean? We've been doing a lot of salad on the Juice Bar channel. We're using the other channel, Salad Bar, to let the latest news what's going on my other channel. So guys, stay tuned and I'm gonna make you a lovely simple salad recipe today. You can get bits and pieces, put it together and make yourself a lovely salad at home. Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter, Facebook, Google Plus me and get your latest update from Chef Ricardo on the team. Thank you so much and stay tuned. Lovely. So basically right here guys, I got a little bit of mixed leaf. It's like spinach and leaf. It's like a salad. Alright. And I'm gonna make you a simple salad today. I got some plum tomato, we got red onion, we got some apple, cucumber and spring onion. So first thing is to get my cherry tomato, cut them into half just like this, because it's a simple salad and it's a very unique recipe which I have this on my heart to do such a long time, didn't get the chance. So basically feel like just make you guys today this lovely salad. All right, so if you're at home and you have few stuff in your fridge not using, come in really handy. Can do something like what Chef Ricardo gonna do now, and it's just so easy and simple guys. Look at that, beautiful. And these cherry tomatoes is so nice, they're so juicy. Look at that, beautiful one. Nice and lovely. See? Easy like a recipe like that guys. And that's exactly what I'm talking about. Then we got some red onion which I'm going to be using also. So we're going to simple. I'm going to be using half of a red onion. That is fantastic. Apple. That's when I will remove the seed bit of the apple. And now a lot of people doesn't know that apple can go into your salad. You know what I mean? Yeah. Cut it up very finely. Let's put it in just like this. Take your time. Cut your apple just like this guys. Look at that. Then I have one more, because I love apple. I love apple in my salad, honestly. So that's the reason why I'm using 2 apples. And these are green apple, and I remove the seed, the skin from it and the seed. Alright. Got some red pepper. You know, someone asked me what I use to sharpen my knife the other day. When you have your knife, when you take care of the knife, it keep sharp, you know what I mean? Because I don't normally use like a proper sharpener to sharpen my knife. Sometimes I just rub it on my edge of my knife, the back of my other knife them. But look at this. Oh my god. This is fantastic guys. The color of it is amazing. Alright. Then we're going to put some cucumber. Alright. That's long time I do some slices of cucumber in my salad then. Now we're gonna slice some cucumber. This knife is very, very, very sharp and very nice to do stuff at home. But for me, I don't really bring my knife to knife shop and all these things. You know what I mean? I just rub it. I'll show you what I do in a bit. Oh, I sharpen my knife. That's why my knife is so sharp. And I even have a sharper knife on this one, because I like to use sharp knife to do my work. So yeah, I'm just taking my time and I'm cutting them just like that. A long time I don't do any cucumber like this. Oh, it's looking good. Yeah, it's just like I'm at work. But this salad, you know what I mean, I'm just making it for my fans them, because I got some of my fans them here. This is some spring onion. This salad can go with like if you do roast fish or some rice and peas, you know. Yeah, that's nice to go with it. Then what we're going to do next is put a little bit of dry chili on it like that. I like dry chili on my salad. To be honest, you can put some olive oil, you can put a lot of things on it, but we're not going to overdo it. We're just going to just simple do the salad like this. But I just want the fans them to see exactly what's going on. Look at this. Alright. Then exactly if you want to put meat stuff on it, you know, we just want to keep it simple. Alright. Look at that, guys. That is amazing salad. I love my salad. Honestly, I love salad. So we're gonna put 2 down on the table. This is amazing. Look at that. This is exactly what Chef Ricardo been talking about. I remember when I used to at work, I used to make this kind of salad. Oh my god. Oh, teachers them used to love it. Everyone used to love this salad, guys. Cause you know what I mean, this is just amazing. I want to say, guys, if you leave your comments in the description box, please follow me on Instagram and Twitter, Facebook, Google Plus me. Get the latest update from Chef Ricardo. As you can see, amazing salad recipe again from Chef Ricardo. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. And stay tuned. Don't go anywhere. Leave your comments in the description box, please. It's very important. Salad of the day from Chef Ricardo for the Juice Bar channel. I will see you next time. Bye bye.